Alright folks, welcome back to the channel. I've got a brand new unboxing video for you today. The good folks over at Lekato wanted to know if I'd be interested in reviewing another one of their products. You may remember a little while back that I did a video of their wireless system, which I've really enjoyed. And today I'm doing another unboxing of one of the products, and this is going to be a mystery pedal. Let's see what this is. It's a mini pedal. These are all the rage nowadays. We'll see exactly what's going on. Let me take you to the other screen. After I unbox this, we'll take you to the actual screen on my computer, and we can kind of go over what all the details and features are about this. And later on, I'll have a demo review video for this pedal as we go on. So I'm going to reach over here into my handy little tray, grab my unboxing tool of choice, which is a knife. A lot of people use guitar pick. I use these little knives. I like these. So let's see what we got here. Really excited about this pedal. Kind of see how we can get creative with it. Here we go. Unbox this thing, and voila, we have a USB cable. I wonder what that could be for. Okay, nice. And what do you think it is, guys? Let's find out. I've noticed a lot of these pedals come in these very little tiny boxes. So it has a user manual in the back. Okay. User manual there. Now let's open this thing up and see exactly what we have. Very sturdy packaging, that's for sure. And we have, this is a loop station looper pedal. Hopefully you guys can see that all right. This camera needs to focus a little bit better. There we go. Much better. All right, so we have a loop station looper pedal. This is very nice. Very nice vacuum switch there. It doesn't click, but it has the ability to do the looping there. I'm assuming this is for LEDs or something. I don't know exactly what that's for. I'm going to go ahead and pull that off. There's plastic over this. Oh, that's to help remove the plastic. Let me get that and remove that again. So that actually is connected to the plastic so you can remove the plastic, but it's not removing the plastic. So we'll do that by hand. Actually, I may just leave that on there. I don't know. For now, we'll leave it on. We may remove it later. I like to leave the plastic on a lot because that preserves your screens and things like that. So I'm going to just leave that on unless it gets too annoying. We have two buttons here. Very interesting to see what that's for. This is a great practice tool. A looper tool is a great practice tool, and hopefully I'll be able to demonstrate some of that in the upcoming video for this. So we have the input, the output, we have the power adapter. This did not come with a power adapter, but nowadays most people have one. I'll be using a power brick that I have that I've been using for a while now. I haven't done a review on that because, well, I just wanted to start using it, so maybe another day I'll do a review on that, but I'll just plug into that. I also have another power unit I can use for putting it on the desk if I need to do that, but it also has the USB slot right there that you can go ahead and plug it up to the computer. Now I'm guessing that is for saving your loops, so you can save your loop onto the computer, recall them, and it's also, well, you wouldn't need to charge it obviously because it has a DC power. So let's also you have a level here of how loud you want the looper to be. A lot of times, I'm glad they've started adding these to a lot more pedals because that way you can turn it down if it's over too loud for you to solo over. So I'm really glad they started adding those. It feels really nice. But that's a very nice, sleek looking box there. Very durable feeling. Nice metal case. Nice little pads here to keep it from slipping. It's going to go on my pedal board, so I'll be putting it next to that. Let's see what we got here. We're going to go ahead and go to, I think it's about all I can say about it, so let me go ahead and just stand it up there for you. Let's go to the screen now, see what's going on that side of the world. All right, so here we have the Lekato looper station with 9 onboard loops built in. Okay, so pretty interesting. I'll leave a link in the description below, and you guys can see exactly where to pick this up. When you buy it from this link below, that'll actually help support this channel. Let's go back to the screen here, and like I said, I'll leave links below and you can be able to check that out for yourself. So let's go ahead and look and see what this has to offer here. We have the looper pedal, we have the manual, driver for Mac, so I may need to download a driver. Got an update here. You have 9 onboard loops, 40 minutes of recording time with indicator. Okay, so these LEDs I think is your recording time. Now it doesn't say it here, but that is actually for the tuner. You press both of these together. So I don't know why it doesn't say that, but that's supposed to be for a tuner. So we've got a sampling right here, uncompressed tone quality, built-in high sensitivity tuning function. Looper data can import, export directly to your computer. with a USB cable. No need drive. I don't know if that means a driver. You don't need a driver, but they have some kind of listed up here. With a Mac, I usually don't take drivers. You don't usually need one. Unlimited overdubbing. Record, undo, redo, stop, and erase are all accessed via one button. Okay. Typically, a looper, the way it works is you press once to start recording, you press twice to stop it. Once you press it again, you can start overdubbing, and then you can stop it again by pressing twice, and it'll start looping that. Or if you didn't like the previous overdub, you press and hold, and it deletes that. To delete everything, you press and hold, if I'm not mistaken. That's usually the way it works. Okay, so let's see what else we have down here. Same thing, full metal shell, small but weighty. It does feel, nice and durable. Colorful LED display, beautiful and user-friendly. And once again, this is the plastic. There's no defect on there at all. I'm just going to leave the plastic on for right now. Let's see what little air bubble is. Supports Windows and Mac computer and import-export loops. Oh, you can actually import loops from the computer as well. That's a very good feature. Wave lossless audio. Windows needs no additional installation of any software or driver. I'm guessing Mac will be the same way. So you got some technical specifications here. Standard 9-volt DC power, not included. Single loop recording duration, 10 minutes. You can record up to a 10-minute loop and up to a maximum of 40 minutes. And that's apparently unlimited, even though it says 9 onboard loops. I don't know exactly what that's about, but we'll get on into that later on as we demo this stuff. So we have input-output connector, standard, instrument cable, 1/4 jack, and then these other things here. Very small pedal. Let's see what some of these pictures look like here. There we go. We've got the tuner, as you can probably see right up in there. It says tuner. It doesn't say that on my pedal for some reason. Maybe this is like a 2.0 version of it. I don't know. But next picture, 9 onboard memories for storing. Save as many phrases or ideas as you can create. Press 2 keys at the same time to enter tuning mode. 1 key to achieve all functions. Okay, so you press it once, you record, and it plays, and you press it again to overdub. I'm guessing you press and hold to play, or undo and overdub, and then press twice to stop. So I'll play around with it, and we'll figure out exactly how it works in the next video. Let's see what else we got here. Very compact, powerful. There you go, capturing creativity. Play with a one-man band, a single performance, not single music. And then the package list, as we've seen, we've got the USB cable, the guitar effect pedal, and the user manual. So the user manual will tell us how to use it a little bit better. And it looks like we have just a little preface here. Just your basic thing. You got a little control panel there that you can kind of look at and see what all is going on. It tells you what everything is. You got operations instructions without recorded data. Okay, so this is if you're looping directly yourself. And with recorded data is if you import a loop from your computer. So that's really cool. So it tells you what to do and how many times to tap the foot switch and things like that. It'll say, it actually shows different numbers based on how many loops you have in there, I guess. You see there's a 9 here. Well, that's because you're looping the 9th loop. So you have, I think, up to 9 loops or something like that, the way it's showing. It's got a user interface, so you can check that out. Very interesting manual here. Loop instructions. Oh, this is interesting. These are tuners, but it also says if you press them back and forth, these are up and down. So it says the pedal provides 9 loops, each of which can be independently edited and used by pressing up and down to switch the loops. Okay, so I'm guessing that's what these are for. Now, once you record one, I don't know if you can go back and undo an overdub or not. I'm not exactly sure. This thing probably has a lot of drill down into it that you can work into. It probably got a lot of enhanced features here. USB cable, tuning function. So for the tuner, it says press 2 buttons simultaneously to turn it on. The output will be muted. There are 5 LEDs for tuning display. So there's a display under the tuner, the LED display. And it says the LED is half lit, the pitch is lower. LED 3 lit. Okay, 1 and 2. There's 5 LEDs. So the first 2 means the pitch is low. If it's 3, it's on pitch. If it's 4 or 5, it's too sharp. Okay, so very interesting there. And you got some technical parameters on the back. So that's a little small, handy user manual there that you can use. So we can close in on that. User manual there. And some pictures of the interface. Small, but it's in full color, so you can really tell what's going on. So I am excited to be able to try this, and we'll be doing a review video on this very soon. I'm really happy for the folks at Lekato. Please do check them out. The links are in the description below. Also, I should be able to leave maybe a video card or maybe an end screen that you can see the actual demo that I did for their wireless guitar connector and receiver. So that's amazing. Definitely check that out as well. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to be notified of more videos like this coming out. And we'll see you on the next videos, whatever those may be. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. God bless.